All right, everybody, we are here at 200 Galleria Officentre here in Southfield, Michigan, and there's a bank of elevators here that I could not get to and couldn't find, but I found a way. I took the big elevator G up to the 4th floor, came through this office suite, and all we gotta do is go through this door and we can get to the elevators. See, it's got a latch. Just put this in the way just so I can get back if I need to. Perfect. All right, and here are the elevators. So this one's not working? These probably haven't been used in a long time. This corner of the office. It's an MEI, I believe. There's the serial number. Let's go on. Lobby H. See, those doors right there are locked. Oh, look at that. Communication failure. Let's go to 4. Nice motor.
4th floor.
Definitely MEI. There's that suite we came out of. Let's see if we can call this other one. The other elevator looks to be here. Actually, I don't even know where it's at. I can't tell. Well, that's interesting. Oh, yeah, you know what? It's on the 1st floor right there. That light is from the cab. So, that's definitely broken. We're gonna end the video on 1 just because that's where the exit is. You know what, we will actually take one more ride. We'll end up on 4, why not?
1st floor.
Just figured I'd get that on video because that's kind of interesting. Let's go up to 4 one more time and that's where we'll end it. Here we go. Here we are at 4. All right, that will be it.